Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to use Zelle with the Regions Bank, then this video is for you and it's pretty easy. So here the Regions Bank themselves has just shown you or instruct you that how to you can enroll with Zelle with Regions. So first you have to do is log into your Regions Bank online banking and select the payments, or log into the Regions mobile app and select pay and transfer. Then select send money with Zelle. You can find Zelle as a payout method or payment method available on Regions, but make sure it is actually available in your location or region. Your region must need to support Zelle, or Zelle service is available on your location, so you can get this Zelle as a payout option or payment method in your region's bank. Then select the eligible account you would like to use for payments and confirm your email address and US mobile number, phone number. Then you will receive a one-time verification code. Enter the code and accept the terms and conditions, and you are all set to use Zelle or transfer money through Zelle from your region's bank. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.